let's understand students the next topic. It is the solution of a linear equation. Solutions, that means the values of x and y which we have to find out which satisfy the linear equation, जिसको हम polynomials में zeros बोलते थे. Let's take one example. It is x plus y is equals to 5. It's a simple linear equation I have taken. Now we have to find out the values of x and y. When we substitute here, it satisfies the equation. So if I say the value of x, I'll take 1 and y is equals to 4. So if I'll substitute here x1 and y4, so we can say 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. So we can say yes, 1, 4 is the solution. Let's take one more example. X is equals to, if I'll take 2, so y will be 3. So you can see 2 plus 3, that is equals to 5. One more, if I'll take x as 3, then y is equals to 2. So again 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So now think over it, students, that how many such values of x and y we obtain for the given linear equation. For any given linear equation, how many such solutions we can obtain? Yes, you are right. We can obtain infinite many solutions. So we can say that a linear equation in two variable has infinite many solutions. कोई भी equations ले लो आप. You can take any equation, but remember that that equation has always infinite many solutions. Let us see this question. In question number 2 of this exercise 4.2, we have to write the four solution of each given linear equation. As we just discussed earlier that any linear equation has infinitely many solutions. So let's find out any four solutions of that. Now remember students, you can substitute any value of x, so you'll get the value y for the same. Let's make it easy. कैसे easy बना रहे हैं? हम कोई भी एक वेरिएबल को सब्जेक्ट बना देंगे. तो यहाँ पे let's make the subject y. So it will be 7 minus 2x. It is not compulsory to do this. ये बिल्कुल जरूरी नहीं है ऐसा करना. But if we'll do this, we'll make any variable as a subject, and the variable which is in the equation, for that we'll substitute the value, and the variable which is the subject will obtain the value. मतलब हम x के लिए values रखेंगे तो हमें y मिलेगा. Now which variable we can make as a subject to any variable? हम ज्यादातर ऐसा करेंगे, the variable which has the smaller coefficient उसको हम subject बना देंगे. Okay. Now for the right hand side, x variable is there, so we'll get x as 0. So let us substitute x as 0 here in the above equation. So two zeros are 0, so we'll get value of 7, y is 7. Now when x is 0, so we obtain y as 7. So this is one solution we obtain. Let's go for the other. I'll go for x as 1. So y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 1. So 7 minus 2 is 2. So you can see we'll obtain 5. So when x1, y5. We can go for one more, as we have to find out the four solution. For x2, y is equals to 7 minus 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4, that is equals to 3 we obtain. So x2, y3. Let us go for one more solution. Let students take one negative value. This is to explain you. ज्यादातर नेगेटिव वैल्यू को हम अवॉइड करेंगे. नेगेटिव वैल्यू कई बार हमें कंफ्यूज कर देती है, बट हियर आई एम टेकिंग द नेगेटिव वैल्यू टू एक्सप्लेन यू. सो आई एम टेकिंग x इज -1 इन दिस इक्वेशन. सो 7 इज इक्वल्स टू, सॉरी, it's y is equals to 7 minus 2 into -1. So 7, see, minus minus plus 2 is 2. So we'll obtain y is equals to 9. Again one more time students, don't avoid to take the negative values, because sometimes it happens the negative value वो गड़बड़ हो जाती है simplification में. So we'll try to avoid. Let us see one more question. Here it is given pi x plus y equals to 9. we have to just get the solution, so no need to substitute the value of pi. हम सारे वैल्यू पाई के फॉर्म में ही लाएंगे. Let's make y as a subject, so I'll take this x to the right hand side. So now as we discussed earlier, we'll suppose the value for x. हम वो वेरिएबल को सपोज करेंगे जो इक्वेशन में है, तो x के लिए सपोज करेंगे. So y is equals to 9 minus pi into 0. 0 multiply any number is always 0. So when x 0, y is 9. Now let's go for x1. So y is equals to 9 minus pi into 1. So no need to simplify this. We can keep it 9 minus pi. It's 9 minus pi. It looks quite odd because we are not supposed to represent on the graph paper. हम इसीलिए ऐसा रख रहे हैं. Let's take one more value of x. So y is equals to 9 minus pi into 2. So this is 9 minus 2 pi. So when x is 2, it's 9 minus 2 pi. One more value we'll go for as we required 4 solution. So x is 3. Y is equals to 9 minus pi into 3. So again it is 9 minus 3 pi. So this is 3 and it is 9 minus 3 pi. So these are the 4 solutions which were required for the given linear equation. Let's see one more question. In the equation it is given x is 4y. So you can see that it is already in the form of a subject. तो यहाँ पे x सब्जेक्ट है और y इक्वेशन में है because there is no constant. तो हम y के लिए सपोज करेंगे. Let's go for y 0. So x is equals to 4 into 0. So that is 0. So both are zeros. Now y is 1. So x is equals to 4 into 1. That is 4. So when y is 1, x is 4. Remember students, y is 1, x is 4. One more, y is equals to 2. So x is equals to 4 into 2. So that is 8. 8 and 2. One more value we have to find out. Let's go for y is equals to 3. So x is equals to 4 into 3. So that is 12. So this is 3 and 12. Thus we get the 4 solution. As we discussed earlier also, we can get infinitely many solution. Now let's see this. It's an important question. This kind of question can be the 2-mark question or objective based question. What is given, we have to check that whether the given solution is the solution of this linear equation or not. हमें ऐसे equations, हमें solutions दिए हैं, तो हमें check करना है कि whether the given is the solution of this linear equation or not. तो यहाँ पे x और y के values दिए हैं. For this equation x is 0 and y is 2. Now let us substitute this on the left hand side, in the left hand side of the equation. If we'll get right hand side, when we simplify this equation by substituting the value, if we'll get RHS, that is 4, we can say yes, it is a solution. So in the left hand side, x minus 2 into y. So you can see that here we obtain minus 4, which is not equals to right hand side. So we can say that no, the given solution is not the solution of this linear equation. Let's do one more. In this it is given 2, 0. That means the value of x is 2 and y is 0. So now let us substitute in the left hand side of this equation. X is 2 minus y is 0. So that is 2 minus 0. So this is equals to 2. Again, which is not equals to RHS. So again we can say no, again it is not the solution of this equation. We'll go for one more question. It is given 4 and 0 or 4, 0. That is x is 4 and y is 0. So now let us substitute this value in the left hand side. It is 4 minus 2 into 0. So 4 minus 0. So that is 4. You can see that is equals to right hand side. So we can say yes, the given solution 4, 0 is the solution of this equation. Let us go for one more question. This is an interesting. It's root 2 and 4 root 2. You can see that both the numbers are irrational numbers. So x is root 2 and y is 4 root 2. Let us substitute this value in the left hand side of this equation. Root 2 minus 2 into the value of y, 4 root 2. I am substituting the value in this original equation. So this root 2 as it is minus both rational can be multiplied, 4 to the 8 root 2. They both are like irrational number, can be simplified, minus 7 root 2, which is not equals to the right hand side. So we can say no, the given solution is not the solution of the equation. Fifth number, it's 1 1. So x is 1 and y is also 1. So let us substitute this value. X is 1 and y is also 1. So 1 minus 2, that is equals to minus 1, which is not equals to RHS. So again we can say that no, the given is not the solution of the equation. So out of this 5 questions, only the third number is the solution. The rest are not the solution of this given equation. Let's come to the last question of this exercise. It is said that we have to find out the value of k if x is 2 and y is 1 is the solution of this equation. Again students, it is an important question. Sometimes can be 1 mark or 2 mark. Again understand the question. हमें ये equations के solution दे दिए, तो we have to find out the value of k. So it is quite simple. Again this kind of sums we have done in the polynomial. So the equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to k, where the value of x is 2 and y is 1. So now let us substitute here. The value of x is 2 and y is 1. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So thus we can say that the value of k is equals to 7 if 2 and 1 is the solution of this equation.